Today, I'm going to teach you how to use custom code and performance improvements in Elementor Pro. This feature gives you full control over adding custom CSS, JavaScript, or HTML to your site without needing external plugins, which can significantly boost your site's performance and flexibility. First, go to your WordPress website dashboard and log in. Make sure you're using your admin credentials to access the backend of your site. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll be able to access Elementor's powerful features. Once you're logged in, look over to the left sidebar menu and click on Elementor. This will expand a submenu showing you all the available Elementor options. The sidebar is your main navigation hub for everything Elementor related, so getting familiar with it will save you time in the long run. From the Elementor submenu, select Custom Code. This is where you'll be able to add and manage all your custom code snippets. The custom code feature is designed to let you insert code directly into specific pages or across your entire site, giving you precise control over where and how your customizations appear. However, here's something important to note. In order to enable the custom code feature, you'll need to upgrade to Elementor Pro. The free version of Elementor doesn't include this functionality, so if you're still on the basic plan, you'll need to make the switch. Elementor Pro unlocks not just custom code, but also advanced widgets, theme building capabilities, and performance optimization tools that are essential for professional websites. Once you've upgraded to Elementor Pro, you'll immediately gain access to the custom code section. Here you can add snippets for CSS styling, JavaScript functionality, or HTML structure. You can also choose where each snippet should load, whether it's in the header, body, or footer of your pages. This level of control means you can optimize performance by loading code only where it's needed, rather than site-wide. The performance improvements come from having everything managed in one place. Instead of installing multiple plugins that can slow down your site, you can add all your custom code directly through Elementor Pro. This reduces the number of HTTP requests and keeps your site running smoothly and efficiently. And there you have it. You now know how to access and use the custom code feature in Elementor Pro for better performance and customization. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.